Transfer a message. Transferring a message is how you communicate to a specific teammate that you aren't able to help a customer with their inquiry or their specific needs are outside your ability to help and you need them to take over the customer's inquiry. To transfer a message in the Beetexting app on your desktop computer, click on the Actions button located in the top right corner of your message. If you are using the Beetexting app on your mobile phone, then tap on the 3 yellow dots in the top right corner of your screen. Select Transfer. A list of teammates will appear. Choose the teammate who is best able to assist your customer. For more tips on how to use Beetexting for your business, visit Beetexting.com.